Gardaí have made an arrest on the suspicion of the murder of the Kerry farmer Michael Gaine.
Well, this is a hugely significant development in the investigation into the murder of Michael Gaine. People will remember that the farmer went missing from his farm in Kenmare on the 20th of March last year, and it sparked a massive investigation in which eventually remains were found over 7 weeks on his farm, dismembered remains. A man has been arrested this morning on suspicion of Mr Gaine's murder. That man is in his 50s, and I understand he was arrested in the Healy area this morning on suspicion of the murder, and he's being detained in a Garda Station in the County Kerry area.
Mm-hmm. What's your understanding of what has happened to lead to this development? Is there new evidence or new information?
So Gardaí have been meticulously working on this investigation. I know it's coming up to a year since this horrific murder that everybody remembers. The Garda National Bureau of Criminal Investigation are actively involved in this, as is the Serious Crime Unit in Kerry. I understand they've taken a lot of witness statements. They have examined extensive CCTV footage. They've spoken to numerous witnesses, and they've been examining, I suppose, the words and claims that are being made by persons who are of interest in this investigation over the past year or so, and that has led them to arresting this individual.
People will remember this case so well from last year because it had a really deep effect on the community in Kerry, where Michael Gaine was so well known and well thought of amongst those people. People will remember the search for him, the public appeals, the appeal that was made in the local mart. It was a really significant case.
Oh, it was massive, and it affected the community very deeply. I mean, Michael Gaine was a very well-respected farmer and rally driving enthusiast. Everybody in the Kenmare area knew him well. People will remember the CCTV footage that was released of Mr Gaine inside the Centra supermarket there in Kenmare. That was the last sighting of him purchasing phone credit in the shop and going out into his car, and then seemingly returning to his farmland there in Kenmare. That was the last known sighting of him, and despite all extensive inquiries and a huge search of the land involving over 200 volunteers, the helicopter was involved, Coast Guard, the Civil Defence, the Defence Forces, they found no sign of him until, unfortunately, those dismembered remains were discovered in a tank over 7 weeks into the search. And that prompted a huge murder investigation, of which the resources of the NBCI have been drafted in. And I suppose this is a murder that has affected the whole country, and it has baffled a lot of people, I suppose, as to who was responsible for this and how exactly it came about.